I found a love for me. Well, darling, just dive right in and follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Well, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark, you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath. You heard it, darling, you look perfect tonight.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Non-Native English Speaker, where I share with you my personal experience how I learn English. And today I'm gonna to share with you my experience of learning English through the song. Let's go! Before we begin, I would like to emphasize that one of my favorite songs is Perfect by Ed Sheeran. This song you can see in the beginning of this video. And also I would like to say thank you for my wife that always support me from every time, from every business what I doing. And I would like to say again that, darling, I love you. So let's get started. So when you listen music, this is a very good opportunity to remember any new words and especially new expression, because you know, when you listen music, this is when you do it without any problem. You don't treat this like a chore. You do it with enjoying. That's why this is a very effective way of learning English. And but just listening it is not enough. You have to learn new words, and but for me it is not enough to listen just only words. I have to say you that you should learn the words in the context, the words in the expression, how the particular words interact with each other, connect with each other. And today I'm gonna to show you how I listen and how I learn these songs, this English through this song Perfect. Okay, first of all, I will be reading the whole song, and will be stopped in the special moment. I emphasize the special expression where I think that for me it's very profound and very good meaning. Okay, perfect. I found and one more things. Of course, you have to learn all of these words. You have to know, you have to study all of these words. But I have to go further and to try to remember not only the words but also the expression together. Okay, let's get started. I found a love for me, darling. Just dive right in and follow my lead. Okay, the first words, the first expression, like a follow my lead. It is like follow my example, follow by me, be with me, look at me and follow what I'm doing. This is a good expression. You have to remember this expression together. Okay, follow my lead, follow my lead. Okay, let's move on. Well, I found the girl beautiful and sweet. So beautiful, you know, this is an expression, this is a word beautiful, like you can read it like a beautiful, but in the American pronunciation it's like a beautiful with er in the middle of these words, and you have to remember this word in this way: beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, beautiful and sweet. Sweet, it is like sugar, but this is not the direct meaning. This is a literal meaning, like a sweet, like a cute. Beautiful and cute, beautiful and sweet. You can remember this two expression as well together. You know, darling, you are beautiful and sweet. Beautiful and sweet. You know, my daughter, beautiful and sweet. Okay, the next. Or, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. Waiting for me, waiting for me. This is another, this is a phrasal verb, I think, right? Waiting for. You have to try to remember these words, these two words together, waiting for. And I would like to emphasize that not to say waiting for, not in this way, waiting for, waiting for, waiting for. This is a pronunciation, right? Because we were just kids when we fell in love. We were just kids. We were kids. We were kids. I was kids. We were kids. This is a well-known expression. The frequently used expression. I was a kid. I was a child. We were kids. You have to remember this. I was kid. I was child. Right? We were kids. We were students. We were. Right? When we fell in love. Okay, fell in love. I think you. I think this is the expression fall in love. This is like a, you encounter one of the, your sweetheart, and you fell in love in the first sight. Fell in love, like a love. Yeah, love this. I don't know how to say another way. Fell in love. Just remember, fall in love, like fall in love. Okay, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. I will not give you up. Give up, give up. This is another great and frequently used phrasal verbs. Give up, give up. This is like a quit to, don't give up. Don't give up the person. It's a two meaning. Give up like surrender. Give up like the second meaning, like give up the smoking. You have been smoking this special period of time, and then you decided to give up the smoking. And I think this is like a second meaning. Give up, not give up. But darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own. Is all I own. This is another way to say all I have, what I have, to say all I own, all I own. This is all I own. This is all I possess. And in your eyes you are holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark. with you between my arms. The second expression, between my arms. When you hug someone, this person between your hearts, like literally in the between your arms. You have to remember this expression together, all of these words together. Barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. I decided to emphasize this word favorite song because, favorite food, favorite song, favorite, car, I don't know, favorite book, favorite, you haven't to think about this word, favorite. It will be like a smoothly. You have to use this word, fastly. Favorite song, favorite book, favorite movie. When you thought you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath. I whispered underneath my breath. Like, this is meaning that, to whisper it like, I whisper it underneath my breath. Like, sometimes you don't need to say out loud something. You sometimes, when you, sit next to your darling and speak with her, she understands you without any words, and sometimes you just talking with like a whispering underneath your breath, like but she heard it, and you say it, darling, you look perfect tonight. You look perfect tonight, right? Look perfect. When you encounter some friends or just your companion, you can say, oh man, you look perfect, you look perfect. This is a good expression to remember and use in a daily life. So let's move on to the last part of this song. Not this song, but I decided to not consider whole this song, but almost whole, right? Well, I found a woman stronger than anyone I know. She shared my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share her home. Share your home. When you have some apartment, when you have some houses or something, you sooner or later you share with someone your property. This is the meaning of this expression. I found the love to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own. We are still kids, but we were so in love, fighting against all odds. I know we'll be alright this time. I'll be alright. I'll be alright. You'll be alright, right? This is the expression frequently used. I think you know before it. I'll be alright. Everything will be alright, right? Darling, just hold my hand. Hold my hand. Like a hold when you see someone the couple go through the beach and they hold their hands together. It's a hold hands, right? Be my girl, I'll be your man. Be my girl, I'll be your man. Be my girl. I think you understand this meaning. Just to remember, I see my future in your eyes. I see my future in your eyes. I see my future. See my future, right? And we all have a future. And sometimes when you, I think you understand this expression, right? I'll see my future. I like predict some future in someone's eyes. Okay, this is I share with my experience of how I learn English through these songs. I would like to repeat that you don't need to remember only separate words. You have to remember the whole expression and the whole expression. Okay, thank you for watching me. Please subscribe and share in the comments below what is your favorite song and how you learn English through the song. Maybe you have a different point of view, and maybe you share with me. Maybe I use in my future education. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.
Well, I found a woman stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share her home. I found a love to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own. We are still kids, but we're so in love, fighting against all odds. I know we'll be alright this time. Darling, just hold my hand, be my girl, be your man. I see the future in your eyes, baby. I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When I saw